Alright, now we got a real pain in the butt joint. Not only is it a butt joint, and got an outlet right in the middle of it. Alright, let's do it. There, right like that. So far, not too bad. Just get a nice coat on there and scrape it off. See what we get. Looks like shit. Sand it. Alright. Yeah, got more than enough on there. Alright. Scrape the edge real tight so the sheet dry. Yeah, it should come off. I'm just bending the blade a little bit. Put my knee in some nice fresh mud. Nice. Alright. Now, this is going to get fun. Alright, now I'm going to feather it with the big blade. Stay away from the outlet. Feather it this side out. Okay. Now I'm going to bring it up to the outlet. And start at the outlet. And up. Bring it out. Okay. Not that bad, just a couple little marks there, but we're going to smooth it out. Alright, I'm going to wet this blade up nice and wet. Smooth it over. Same thing down here, nice and wet. Smooth it up to the outlet. Just a couple little lines there. Move it up. Alright, let's see, I don't know, I stay right about here. Wow, okay. That surprised me. Wow. That came out freaking good. That wasn't a pain in the butt at all. Thank you, thank you.